doing some fucking tires. I miraculously got a day off, Labor Day weekend. Holy shit. These tires are 38 by, two of them are 38 by 1450s, TSL, sorry, Super Swapper TSL SX, and three of them are 38 and a half by 16 regular TSLs. So they're big fucking tires. Probably one of my lesser known projects. My affectionately the truck I affectionately refer to as P.O.S10. So it's a 1986 S10 with two-wheel drive with 2.5-inch body lift, 3-inch front suspension lift, polyurethane bushings all the way around, drilled and slotted rotors. I don't know, some kind of crazy ass brake pads on it. I think they're Street Fighter brake pads, Street something or other. Supposed to be badass brake pads. Let's see here. 2.8. I built 2.8 in it. 5-speed transmission, 410 gears, and a locker in the rear end. Edelbrock shocks all the way around. But I'm running 33 1250s out back right now, or I was before I lifted the front end. And I just use the tire size to make up for the lift difference. So I'm going to put 38 and a halves out back and maybe some skinny 33s up front. But anyway, those are the tires I'm going to throw on there. So just a little update for y'all. And I am driving my fucking pickup. So anyway, hope you guys have a great Labor Day weekend. All right, boys, you remember my project truck I affectionately refer to as P.O.S10, right? Well, I got my Silverado out of here. So, oh, it's still here, but it's not. I got some new tires for it. I was running 33 1250s before in the rear. And then when I first got this truck, I was running these tires up front. These are 29 1050 15s. I thought they were pretty cool. They're Super Swamper TSL SX, often referred to as TSX. I got some boggers for my Silverado, and then I told you guys what size I was wanting to run, and I found some. Found some on Facebook Marketplace. The problem is, wheel wells are not big enough. So I need to trim out the fenders a little more. But these sons of bitches, holy shit. Let me just, these are 38.5 by 1450. 15s. Hang on just a second, I'll put the phone down. There's some fucking meats, man. Holy shit. Let me back up and see, kind of see the truck. Like that, they make these 33 by 14s look fucking tiny. Like I said, this is 33 by 14. 38.5. I mean, this is a bigger rim. It's a 16-inch rim. That's a 15. And and I know it's inflated too. I mean, but yeah, I'm touching back here and touching up front. I need to trim the fenders a little bit more but I mean, it is. Oh, you can see the. Oh, damn it! Here, I'm gonna turn the light on. There we go. I mean, it does need to go up just a little bit more to line up with the studs. And like I said, you can see it's touching there, touching up front. But that's pretty much what I want to run out back. There's some fucking monsters, man. Anyway, I just got them mounted the other day, or yesterday, I guess, and I've been carrying them around in the bed of my Silverado. Didn't really want to have them in the bed over Christmas and shit, so put new valve stems on them because they're old as shit. But yeah, those fuckers are some meats. I'm just gonna have to trim the fenders a little bit more, and this is just a little brace to hold it from keep it from flopping and shit. And I said just hack a little more out of there, no big deal. I did it. I hacked them in the past. I mean, you can tell I did a fantastic job. So I measured to give myself a couple inches of clearance. I used a purple Sharpie. That's the only color I had. That's 20 and a half inches from here. I figured I'd give myself a little bit of fucking clearance. But I'm actually only going to need about 19 inches there. So I got an inch and a half wheel well gap all the way around. I even wrote up there, 20.5. So I don't think that'll look too bad, and I don't think I'll be getting into my shit up here too bad. If so, I can kind of bash that with a hammer for clearance. I don't think I'll be getting into my actual bed. So that's kind of my plan as far as that goes. Anything that's in the way, I'll beat the fuck out of with a hammer. I already took this bolt out, and oh my God, I can't believe it came out so easily. This here, literally, that's just baling wire. It was old baling wire back in fucking, I think it was 2003. All right, here's the finished fucking trim product. I didn't do a very good job, but fucking whatever. Let's see if the tire fits. Forgot the center cap. There we go. How about that? A little fucking S10. I gotta get back a little bit further. There we go. Takes up like half the fucking bedside. Goofy motherfucker. All right, guys, so basically with weight on the axle, I figured I'd go up from the center line just a touch. Yeah, I broke a fucking stud off, and shit happens. With weight on the axle, I measured from here, 20.5 inches all the way around. With weight off the axle, I fucking measured whatever. So that's where I'm going to cut. All right, guys. You can't even fucking tell. This is the new ride height. I think it's like 51 and a half inches. Bed full of shit. 51 and a half inches to here. Yeah, they stick out a decent amount from the wheel wells. I think I measured like from the top to that lug is like 3 inches, plus out here it's 4 inches or so hanging past the bedside at the very top, and then it naturally tapers in. So there's by the time you get down to the bottom of the fender, the bottom of the bedside, it's in the middle of the fucking tread. I mean, it's so I got about 7 1/4 inches or so, call it. Yeah, this is the new ride height of the old S10. Yeah, that's ride height.